Guys, good day and welcome back to my channel once again. As you can see, Arichain registration is counting down rapidly and we have about 7 hours left. Okay, in these 7 hours, that is within these hours, if you have not completed your registration before then, you will automatically be disqualified. As you can see here, this is the deadline. Before we move on, there are several things you need to clarify in this video. Number one is this: a lot of people have been complaining that the message option is not available on their Discord. Okay, I posted a video about 3 days ago, and as you can see, if we come to the comment section, you can see that this person say why message option is not allowed. I click on chat and message icon is not coming. Object I submitted. Okay, also this person complain about message. Please, my message column is not showing. Okay, so that is to say a lot of people are having the problem on this particular message. Now the question is the problem from Arichain or from the users? Let's quickly clarify that. If we come to our official Discord now, okay, that is, this is the Discord. After clicking on Discord, let it open first. You will see that our Ari is here, which is Arichain, and we scroll down to this option, which is Arichat. Okay, so after clicking on Arichat, this particular message here is not available for people that commented below under the video, and some people, even if they click on it, it will not work. Okay, some people it will work, but they will not be able to send message. Even after typing the message, this sending option will still be blank. So the problem is very simple. So the first question you should ask yourself is this: did you complete the registration of Discord before the deadline? Because if you could remember, 3 days to 4 days of deadline of Discord registration, Arichain clearly announced on their official Twitter community that failure to do this before the deadline will result to you not be able to register on the Discord again. So if you have not done before then, probably there's no way you are going to complete the registration. That is, the message option will be blank whenever you try to enter. Okay, it's not that when you search for Arichain, you will not see it on Discord, you will see, but the problem is this: you will not be able to join so that you can perform the activities like sending messages and others. Now we scroll down to the message posted by Arichain about 3 days ago. It says that Ari Wallet information registration has only 3 days left. Okay, please make sure to complete the process within the deadline. And we scroll down a little bit. It says that the multi-VM mainnet is essentially complete. We are now in the final stage with our technical partners currently working through the remaining coordination. Once our internal adjustments are finished and Ari Wallet registration is completed, we proceed with a redistribution Discord pros and contribution tiers. During this brief period of inactivity, those who left spread FUD or engage in hostile behavior will face the appropriate procedures. Okay, so from the information given now, it is clear that Arichain will not be able to allow you to proceed with the registration unless you complete the Discord registration before the deadline. Okay, so that is what you should do. However, in their previous announcement, because a lot of people are complaining under the comment section that people have not been able to complete the message, which is a submission of Ari Wallet on Discord. Okay, this person say I can't complete my registration on the Discord server. It is not letting me type. Okay, and this is the problem. This is the same type of problem everyone is having. So what you should do is that, first of all, you need to complete your Ari Wallet registration first. As you can see, I have completed mine and it is counting down. Before the deadline, it is important you complete this registration and make sure you complete with your information, your correct information like your EVM and your Twitter username, which is the same thing you are going to submit on Discord. So even if you'll not be able to submit it on Discord, then if Arichain record mass failure on this particular option, then they may do something about it. But the most important one is to submit on the Ari Wallet first. Another information we're going to explain is this: if we go to Twitter now, there is a new feature on Twitter which allows you to view the profile of all the airdrops, not only the airdrops, any profile on Twitter. You can now view the profile to see the location when the account is created and some informations like that. And airdrop accounts are also included. For some of these airdrops that are using fake accounts or that we don't even know their location, it is important to start checking them on Twitter right now. Okay, now if we go to Arichain profile you visit, you're going to see this option, which is join June 2024. Then you click on that small arrow. As you can see, Arichain is a Korea-based project. Okay, that is, people that are owning Arichain are from Korea. As you can see, account based in Korea, and it was created in June 2024. You understand? Not only Arichain, if you come over to this place, you can see a lot of airdrops that you have been mining and their origin. Okay, for instance, Avacoin is from Estonia. Also, you see this particular one, Sidrachain. All of us know Sidrachain. It is from Qatar. We scroll down, we see Pi Network. Pi Network is from United States. Okay. Also, we talk about this airdrop, which is Inspect, is from Canada. We see another one, which is Matchain. Matchain is from United Arab Emirates. Arichain from Korea. Spore Protocol from Africa, and others like Nauris Protocol from United Kingdom as well, Zina from East Asia, and others. Okay, this particular one is from Nigeria. This one, which is Lyrasis, is from Rwanda, and so on. So if you look at the profile of this airdrop, for instance, it makes us to know if a particular airdrop is claiming another country, the new Twitter feature will expose them, because if you click on their profile, it will actually show you the origin of the account. Okay, so from there we will be a little bit safe. However, it is not accurate for now, as people may use AI or any kind of editor to rename the country. But you can officially go and check it by yourself by visiting Twitter. Go to the profile of that person and click on show more. You see the information of the origin of that person on his profile. Okay, so guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you for now. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.